Hey everyone, it's Bunnibi, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Sailor Moon Twinkle statues. This is the set 2 of the Twinkle statues. This is set 1, and this one will be releasing in Japan in September. So we have Princess Serenity, Sailor Venus, and Sailor Jupiter. Here are the capsules. Alright, let's open them up. I'm starting with Princess Serenity. There was 2 layers of plastic and tape, so it was very protected. Here is the top. It's got little moons and stars, and it says Princess Serenity on it. Here is the figure. You put her together. And here are the flyers. On it, it shows the 3 different ones you can get: Princess Serenity, Sailor Venus, and Sailor Jupiter. Super cute. And then this random paper. Here is her head. And here is her dress. It's very pearlescent, so that's really pretty. And a big pink bow in the back. And here is one of her hair pieces, and what's cool is they fade from solid to transparent, so that's really neat. And it came with a stand piece, which hooks into the capsule and creates a stand for the figure, which I didn't know at all, and I thought that was so cool. Here's a better look at the hair. And the hair pops in really easy. It's a snug fit, but it wasn't too hard to put in. And the head was really easy to put on too. So here she is in one piece. There's the hole for the stand. Super cute! And she can stand by herself, not on the stand, but putting in the stand was super easy, and I think it's super adorable. Here's the lid, stars and moons, and it says Sailor Jupiter. Here is the figure, and of course the flyers. Here is the stand piece. And the stand piece also hooks in really easily. Here is her body. The detail on these is super impressive for how small they are. I think it's amazing. Her hair also fades from solid to transparent. Super cute. last one we have is Venus. Here is her body. Again, the detail is really amazing. And there we go. I really love the hair on this one because on her bangs you can see it turn transparent too. It's really pretty. These ones are almost 2.5 inches tall, and including the stand, they are about 3 inches. Quick reminder guys, I will be doing a giveaway for one Sailor Moon Figuarts Mini when I reach 100 subscribers, so make sure to stick around for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Likes and subscribes are greatly appreciated, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!